This video will demonstrate the different buttons that exist on your Aver document camera. I'm going to start at the top. This first top button is a simple light on and light off. The light bulbs are up in the lens, so I'm going to push it once to toggle on that light, and you'll notice that the image on the computer is reflecting that. Let me turn that off. And you notice the light kind of went off there. So depending where your document camera lives or is home base in your classroom, if it's by a window or a bank of lighting, you may need that or you may not need it. But it's a simple toggle on, toggle off for your light switch. Below the light switch, we have the magnifying glass with the plus, which is the zooming in. We can press it one step at a time to go in single increments, or if we press and hold, it'll zoom in as far as the camera will allow. And right below that button is the magnifying glass with the minus. And again, just like the zooming in, we can zoom out by one step increments or hold it down and let it go all the way back. So that's your zoom and your zoom out buttons. Below the zoom out button, we have a camera switch, like it's a flip, a 180-degree flip. And if you look at the computer screen, and I'm going to press this flip button once, it has flipped it over 180 degrees because now you can see my captain connectivity is actually readable. If I flip it one more time, it goes out and captain connectivity is rather upside down. So I know that you may have a need for more than a 180-degree flip. In that case, we're going to touch base with the camera lens up here. This Aver camera lens can be switched to the right and to the left. Oops, here we go. And then you can also flip it from that point. So there are a lot of different combinations of setup for your camera with between the lens and the 100-degree flipping. You should be able to get whatever it is that you would like to show to your students clear and available for them. Below the little flip button is the AF, and that is autofocus. And again, you may have something flat, like our captain connectivity, and if I make sure I put that under an autofocus, the camera kind of takes care of that. And maybe we're having something more 3D-ish that needs a different type of focus. Now we're at a different level. So I can push my automatic focus and my little smiley face has now been focused in on. That's your basic function buttons. The final one on the bottom is how we turned it on. That's our on and off button. And we will continue with the function buttons at the bottom of your computer screen on the software in a future video.